Hey everyone, Jeremy here from Daily Marketing. Just wanted to go through yet another one of our campaign types in our Facebook and Instagram ads epic. Today we are getting towards the end. There's only two campaign types left. So today we're going to be doing the mobile app install campaign. So if you have an app that's in iTunes, you have an app that's in Google Play, if you have an app that's on Amazon, Facebook Canvas, there's a number of options here, but basically, this is an extremely important campaign, and I've had a number of success doing this for quite a few clients. And so I just wanted to run through it with you real quick. It's pretty simple to set up, though. I think just a lot of people get intimidated. So you start with our green create the ad button, or create ad button. I'm starting over. And so it's right here in the middle of consideration. So we're going to start app install campaign, aptly named app install. Working on Tanks to Get Around's ads manager today. Really awesome team letting us once again open the books to show you how it's done. Check out their shirts. Extremely, extremely funny. Can't recommend them enough. So the top, you'll notice here that we've got, we've got the app. So choose the app you want to promote. You can do Google Play, iTunes for iPad, Windows Store, Facebook Canvas, Amazon App Store. And all you're doing here is entering your app name or exact store. So like if I put Uber, right, it's going to show me Uber. But otherwise, it's easier to just copy paste your store ID, right, and use that to kind of promote it. And so you can do a catalog optional, which dynamic creative. This is our normal ads targeting area, right? And so, I can go through what Tanks to Get Around's target is again, but I don't think that's probably very useful for everybody. Otherwise, placements, the kinds of placements you can have are pretty much anywhere with this. Daily budget, optimization. So I would say optimization definitely go to app installs. And Tanks to Get Around doesn't have an app, right? You'd have to actually add an app to the business manager to be able to track app installs, right? And then you need to add the SDK to iOS and Android, whichever you're promoting. Conversion window, 1 day click view is usually pretty good. And so, as we get down into the ad types, these are fairly standard as well. You got your carousel, your single image, single video slideshow. You can upload photos, whatever. You've got text, headline, call to action, download, install now, is usually the kind of go-tos for that. But yeah, otherwise, fairly simple sort of campaign. I think that a lot of people just get intimidated by it, and they, maybe don't understand their math entirely. And so they think that it's expensive, and marketing an app in 2018 is a little bit more expensive than it used to be. But that said, you can get great cost per acquisition, and make a lot. And if you have a clear revenue model with an average customer value and stuff, what, how to properly go after these folks and what you can actually afford for an app install. And again, like I said, I've had a ton of success with this in the past. I think it's definitely worth looking into doing Facebook ads if you have a mobile app or are planning on a mobile app in the future. Anyways, happy marketing, everybody. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful evening.